My name's Anna. I oversee the day-to-day running and development of Westbase. Westbase is West Lothian's online source for mental health and wellbeing information. So there are 5 main sections to Westbase. The first one on the search bar is self-help. So the self-help section is where anyone can go to find resources to help them with their wellbeing. So the find support section is a directory of services that are here in West Lothian. So the news section is where you can find sort of local mental health and wellbeing news and updates. Your stories contain stories from different people in the community about how they stay well. The need help now section is if you or anyone around you finds themselves in a crisis, there will be sort of relevant helplines that you can use in the moment.
I'm Andreas Kelt. I work here in West Lothian as a GP. A lot of GPs have their own websites and try to accumulate resources, but it quickly goes out of date. But there are a lot of things out there sometimes we GP don't know about, so therefore it's good to have one resource where the information is updated.
So I work for a charity called Carers of West Lothian. So the way Westbase supports our carers is providing them a space to go to help support their mental health and wellbeing. There's services here 1 minute and services they're gone the next. So being able to either refer to Westbase myself or to send them to the Westbase website is super helpful. It's been a wee godsend.
I work for NHS Lothian. I'm an interim team lead and also an occupational therapist. I guess when you're maybe feeling a little bit overwhelmed and stressed and Google search, how do I manage my stress, can be really overwhelming. Whereas if you have a resource like Westbase, it's a lot more managed and focused to where we are in West Lothian.
I'm the acting team leader for the West Lothian services here at Health and Mind, and I am also a support and development worker for the Community Mental Health and Wellbeing Service. I use Westbase in my own life in a variety of means, from the sleep aspects that are on there, from the relaxation side. I also love the recent addition to the music.
My job is I'm the lead officer for mental health development for children and families and social policy for West Lothian Council. Westbase it's a breath of fresh air, if I'm honest. It allows us to direct young people and parents of young people. It's one space that explains all the services and supports that are out there.
I'm a peer support and development worker with Health and Mind based in West Lothian. So I do one-to-one support with people in West Lothian, and I'm also going to have a team of volunteers who will do some peer connecting as well with people in the community. I find Westbase really useful for a variety of reasons. I can signpost people I'm working one-to-one with, and they can go online to look at self-help tips.
What is great about Westbase is that it's a very accessible resource. It's very easy, and through this very simple search, they can put their circumstances of what they're looking for, and then there and then they have a whole list of support services that they can access.
My name's June Smiley. I'm currently the team leader for the practice of mental health nurses in West Lothian. And there's also a really good bit that if we have somebody in that speaks a different language, there is a click on and change it into the different language for that person. So sometimes I've used that in my clinic when I'm talking to somebody. I'll actually bring it up on my screen and show them.
So you can find Westbase online at www.westbase.org.uk. We're on Facebook at Westbase and Twitter as well at Westbase Tweets.